Remove the outer box fixing clips. Remove the top cover of the box. Take out the accessories. Remove outer box. Remove bag. Take out the machine. Lift the lever. Remove the sewage tank. Install the battery cable. Install the red end of the cable to the positive battery terminal. Install the black end of the cable to the negative terminal of the battery. When tightening the bolts, installation tools should not touch the positive and negative terminals at the same time, to prevent damage to the battery. After tightening the bolt, attach the protective sleeve on the battery cable to the bolt. Attach the sewage tank. Attention: when installing the sewage tank, you need to plug the suction hose into the round hole on the bottom of the sewage tank. Plug the suction hose into the suction pickup connection. Remove the switch key and insert it into the machine. Open the lid of the water tank. Add water or water and detergent. Close the water tank lid. Adjust the height of the lever. Open the water valve. Note: if the water valve is open, you can ignore this step. Turn on the key switch. Turn on the brush disc switch. Turn on the vacuum switch. Push the machine forward manually. Cleaning effect. Discharge the sewage. Before charging the machine, turn off the key switch. Insert the machine plug first, then plug in the power outlet. Start charging the machine. Disconnect the charger from the machine after charging. Before removing the brush tray, lay the machine down. Hold the brush plate with both hands and turn it clockwise to remove the brush plate. When you install the brush tray, hold the brush plate with both hands, turn counterclockwise, the brush plate can be installed. When you remove the squeegee, unplug the suction hose first. Remove the two star-shaped handles. The squeegee can be removed from the squeegee's mounting bracket. When installing the squeegee, attach the squeegee to the squeegee's mounting bracket. Screw on the two star-shaped handles. Insert the suction hose.